She want it all. I'm a sucker for love, so I'm giving her everything. Having withdrawals, she want all of the jewelry except for the wedding ring. They tell me I'm tripping. Brought a pound of exotic, the weed hitting different. I was minding my business till she flipped the divide, and I'm back on my bullshit. Looking for a new flame. Sick and tired of the Henny with a do say. Put the money over pussy. Took a minute, but I'm right back to the old ways. Sorry if you thought you knew me. Tell the truth, I give a fuck about what you think. I was busy trying to do me. And they just mad that I left them in the same place. Tryna hold my composure. Tried to give them 6 months and it's over. She looked at me and said, damn, you a cold one. My reply is to take one to no one, girl. Drunk off of liquor and I just might earl. Too much of a good thing might ruin my world. Had to fall back a little, they all sacrificial. I'm going back and forth, there's monkey in the middle. I had enough of all the games. I might go the full insane. Coming through and swerving lanes. Busy drunk, stay One time for the east side. Rocky Water Shorty took me for a boat ride. At the top of the building, that's the high life. All good, but it still don't feel right, yeah. She want it all. I'm a sucker for love, so I'm giving her everything. Having withdrawals. She want all of the jewelry except for the wedding ring. They tell me I'm tripping. Brought a pound of exotic, the weed hitting different. I was minding my business till she flipped the divide, and I'm back on my bullshit. She want it all.